The CMV-22B Osprey is the U.S. Navy's newest multi-mission tiltrotor aircraft, specifically designed to handle the Carrier Onboard Delivery mission. It is replacing the aging C-2A Greyhound aircraft to transport high-priority cargo, mail, and personnel from shore bases to aircraft carriers at sea. The CMV-22B Osprey is a critical component of the Navy's air wing of the future. Its primary reason for being chosen over a fixed-wing successor is its ability to deliver the F-135 engine power module used by the F-35C Lightning II. A piece of cargo too large for legacy helicopters and too heavy for previous delivery methods. Unlike the C-2A Greyhound, the Osprey does not require a catapult for launch or a resting gear for landing. This allows it to deliver supplies not just to carriers, but also to amphibious assault ships and other surface vessels. The Navy variant features significantly larger fuel tanks than the Marine Corps MV-22 Osprey or Air Force CV-22 Osprey to meet the 1,150 nautical mile range requirement. The CMV-22B Osprey is structurally similar to the MV-22B Osprey, but includes several Navy-only modifications. For example, the fuel sponsons, enlarged forward fuselage sponsons to carry extra fuel for long-range transoceanic flights. The communications, beyond line-of-sight BLOS high-frequency HF radios for communicating with the strike group over the horizon. The cargo improvements, an improved integrated lighting system for easier nighttime cargo handling and a public address system for passengers. The fuel dump system, the capability to jettison fuel in flight to meet maximum landing weight requirements during emergencies. As of early 2026, the CMV-22B is fully integrated into the U.S. Navy fleet, though the program continues to evolve through the following upgrades. 1. The Nacelle Improvement, or NI, program. A major fleet-wide modernization effort is underway to simplify the complex internal wiring and hydraulics of the engine nacelles. The nacelles are a complex piece of engineering that does most of the magic that makes the tiltrotors work. 2. Squadron expansion. The current Navy Osprey squadrons include VRM-30, Titans, the first operational squadron based at NAS North Island; VRM-40, Mighty Bison, the East Coast Squadron based at NS Norfolk.
Well, this is home for us now, and this has been home for me and my family for about 10 years before going out to San Diego to stand the squadron up. And it's home for the sailors that are part of this squadron now, and it'll be home for this squadron for the next several decades. So it's exciting to build it from the ground up. Our focus is safely maintaining and flying these airplanes and last mile resupply of the carrier strike groups on the East Coast. We're excited to start doing that. It's been a long time of getting ready, and we're here. So we're happy to be here.
VRM-50, Sunhawks, the Fleet Replacement Squadron, FRS, responsible for training all Navy Osprey pilots and aircrew. 3. Safety and oversight. Following a fleet-wide grounding in 2024, the Navy has implemented stricter maintenance protocols. While the V-22 platform has faced scrutiny, the CMV-22B variant has maintained a cleaner safety record compared to older variants, benefiting from later block production standards. What is the main difference between the CMV-22B Osprey and the C-2A Greyhound? While the C-2A Greyhound was faster and had a pressurized cabin, allowing it to fly over the weather more comfortably, the CMV-22B Osprey is viewed as a force multiplier because it can deliver cargo directly to the deck of any ship in the strike group, bypassing the need for hub and spoke redistribution via MH-60S helicopters.